Hello guys, and welcome to the first ever giveaway of the Grid Hunters community. In this video tutorial, we'll be explaining to you how you can access this giveaway and how you can earn the first place prize of 50 USDT and a 1-year membership of the Hunters Power Pack service. For those of you who are already members of our Discord community, you can navigate to the announcement channel here, and on this message you will be able to find all of the details and the guide for participating into this giveaway. And also from today we have officially opened up our Telegram channel, in which you can also find the complete same message, the guides for entering this giveaway. So let's say for example you have joined the giveaway from Telegram or Discord, it doesn't matter. You'll be redirected right here on the Zealy platform. You have to click connect, create an account. You can just log in with your Discord account if you already have one, or just enter your email address. A code message will be sent to your email just to verify you're a human, and you'll be redirected to the dashboard. So let's jump into the dashboard. So once you have created an account with Zealy, you'll be redirected here to the dashboard on their platform. You can go ahead and take a look all of the challenges and all of the daily tasks we have for you to complete in order to earn experience. The harder the task, the more the experience. The more the experience, the higher the chance you will have to earn the first prize of 50 USDT and a 1-year membership. How you can do the tasks? On each task, you can go ahead and click it, and all of the guides and all of the information will come up what you need to do in order to earn experience, such as daily connect, liking our Instagram page, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and so on. And the more experience you have, like we said, here on the public leaderboard, you will be able to see real time how much experience do you have and who's on the top of the leaderboard. So that's about it, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask us, whether it's on a Discord channel or our Telegram channel. You can go ahead and private message us if needed, and we'll be more than happy to answer any additional questions if you have. Good luck to everyone, and we'll be seeing you on July the 12th at 6 p.m. when we announce the first winner, the second and the third one.